In order to access the online databases page at Boiling Springs High School, navigate to Mrs. Bond's website. In the top left corner of SMSD's website, click Select a School, Boiling Springs High School. Under For Students, click Library. On the left side, click Databases, and then access Infobase in order to see Modern World History. You'll log in with BSHS Library and the password Mrs. Bond provided. Click Login and access the Modern World History database. Within this database, you can search topics relevant to the research you're conducting. In this case, we're going to search for Scottsboro boys. While there are only 3 articles available, they should be 3 quality articles since this is a historical database. Let's take a look at the first article together. The article title is Scottsboro Boys. The database name is Modern World History. On the right under Record Information, you'll see some information that you need to use for your citation. The source that the article was originally published in comes from Encyclopedia of the Early 20th Century, 1900 to 1950. You will need to include all of that information. It was written by Tom Collins, and though it was published in the book in 2016, you will use the 2017 update when this article was put into Modern World History online database. In order to get the URL for your citation, you'll need to scroll to the bottom of the article and copy the URL. Make sure to exclude http://. If you click the citation button, the citation provided, though it says it is in MLA format, is not usually correct. So while you can look at this information to get an idea of what your citation should look like, make sure to check the BSHS Research Guide on Mrs. Bond's website. And, of course, if you have questions, please ask.